Hi, hi.
How are you?
All good?
Can you kindly tell us a little bit more about your shop?
Myself, Tony Rajapan. I'm the manager for this garage. It's called LYNX Auto Repair. I've been in this in automobile industry since last 12 years, and in last 6 years, I've been focusing on Land Rover and Jaguar cars. And we have a small mechanical section, we have AC jobs, we have a small body shop, and we do polishing and detailing as well.
Fantastic. So it's all under one roof.
Yes,
You
exactly.
can do everything for the Range Rover and the Jaguars.
Exactly.
Okay. What are the main issues with Range Rovers and Jaguars?
Range Rover, if you say from my experience, I would say obviously it's electrically controlled car. We have the suspension issues. The most common issue is the suspension, the aromatic shocks. Then we've got the electric issues as well, some module issues. So this might need programming and stuff like this.
Now, for the people who are coming through my channel, are you
Sure.
going to give them a special rates?
Of course, since you are referring to us, so obviously we should give a special rate plus the quality of work we should prove you.
Fantastic. I like the word of quality of work.
Yes, obviously with it, it's not about pricing. It's about pricing with the quality.
Where is your location, sir?
We are located in AlQuoz one area, which is backside of Times Square and Al Circle Avenue. It's almost near that. It's in First Elgate Street, just backside of Times Square Center.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Sure.
Thanks.
Great.
Dr. Car channel and mobile application are the best.